India's Chief of Army Staff has outlined key lessons from Operation Sindoor at the Chanakya Defence Dialogue in Delhi. He highlighted how the action and capabilities of the armed forces gave a reality check to the hostile neighbor. Listen into this.
मैं तो ये कहना चाहूंगा कि मूवी शुरू भी नहीं हुई थी.
Operation Sindoor was just a trailer which ended in 88 hours. We are prepared for any circumstances in future. If Pakistan gives a chance, we will teach it how to behave responsibly with a neighboring nation.
ऐसा हमें मौका देता है पाकिस्तान, तो हम उसको भरपूर एक शिक्षा प्रदान करना चाहेंगे उसको कि कैसे एक जिम्मेवार नेशन को अपने पड़ोसियों से बिहेव करना चाहिए.
He also highlighted three crucial takeaways from the operation: the need for integration between the armed forces, ensuring adequate supplies for prolonged engagements, and making decisions at every level of the command chain. He also said the operation has helped India set a new normal in responding to terror threats, that terror and terror sponsors will be treated alike.
मेरे ख्याल से ये तो एक बड़ी चेतावनी बन के रहेगी, क्योंकि जब
When a country encourages state-sponsored terrorism, it becomes a matter of concern for India. India talks about progress. If someone creates obstacles in our course, then we will have to take some action against them. When we talk about the new normal, we have said that talks and terror can't go together. All we are asking is to adopt a peaceful process, which we will cooperate with. Until then, we will treat terrorists and their sponsors alike.
water can't flow together. Talks and terror can't be together. यानी बातचीत, संवाद और आतंकवाद एक साथ नहीं चल सकता है.
The Pahalgam terror attack early this year, when Pakistan-based terrorists targeted Hindu tourists, killing 26 people in cold blood after asking for their religion. In response, on May 7, remember, India launched precision strikes under Operation Sindoor, targeting terror infrastructure across Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Pakistan, in retaliation, attempted attacks on Indian military bases. India responded firmly to those provocations, demonstrating the readiness and also the resolve of the country's armed forces. Hostilities were finally ceased following talks between the Directors General of Military Operations from the two sides on May 10, resulting in an agreement to halt military actions. However, India has always maintained that the operation is in a paused state and has not fully terminated, with Prime Minister Modi having warned repeatedly that any future act of terror would be treated as an act of war. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.